In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile image on Trello with this simple and easy guide. Whether you're looking to refresh your appearance or just want to update your picture, I'll walk you through every step of the process. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and go directly to Trello.com. Once you're on Trello's homepage, take a look at the upper right section of the screen and click on the Login button. This will initiate the login process, and you have a couple of options here. You can enter your credentials using your email and password, or if you find it more convenient, you can log in using your Google account by selecting the Google login option. Once you're successfully logged in and you've landed on your Trello dashboard, shift your focus to the upper right corner again, where you'll see your initial or current profile image. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll need to click on Manage Account. This will direct you to a new page dedicated to managing all aspects of your Trello profile. On this profile management page, look for the camera icon. It's usually positioned around the area where your profile image is displayed. Clicking on this icon will trigger an option labeled Change Profile Photo. Select this option to proceed further into the image change process. Now you have a couple of choices when it comes to uploading a new picture. If you have the photo file prepared on your computer, you can simply drag and drop it into the designated area on the screen. Alternatively, you can click on the Upload a Photo button. This option allows you to browse through your files and select the image you wish to set as your new profile picture. After your photo is uploaded, you'll have the opportunity to adjust it. This means you can resize or reposition the image to fit perfectly within Trello's format requirements. Take your time with this step to ensure that your new profile picture is displayed just how you want it. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, the final step is to click on the Upload button. By doing so, you'll confirm the changes and set the new image as your Trello profile picture. And just like that, your updated profile image should be visible. It's always nice to give your profile a little freshening up, and now you know exactly how to do it on Trello. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips.